Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to set up a Gboard on S24 Ultra. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store into your device. And after that, go for the search icon at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for Gboard. And now just simply select Gboard over here and just simply install this application in order for you to set up a Gboard into your device. And now guys, once it is done downloading, now just simply open the application once it is done downloading and select enable its settings. Turn on the Gboard and select OK. Select input method and go for the Gboard. And from here, you should be able to set up your Gboard. And guys, to make sure, you can just simply go to your text. And as you can see, there you go. I hope this video helped. And from here, automatically it will be a Gboard keyboard. There you go. See ya.